Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha, and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Haunted Cottage Oracle, a 45 card deck and guidebook by Sirian Shadow. This is published by Llewellyn. Thank you so much to Llewellyn for sending this my way. This retails for, there it is, $24.99 in the US, and of course, everywhere that you can legitimately purchase this will be linked down in the description box below. All right, let's get into it. Cross the threshold into your own soul. Within these haunted walls, an invitation awaits. Dive deep into your psyche and uncover the hidden intricacies of your intuitive journey. By stepping inside, you can confront your fears, explore the energies that shape your life, and unlock the true power of your destiny. Each card holds the energy of haunted objects, rooms, and spirits, weaving a lush tapestry of symbolism and insight. Through his unforgettable illustrations and companion book's wisdom, Sirian Shadow encourages you to face the darkness and embrace the transformative power of solitude. In the stillness and mystery of the Haunted Cottage, the most profound revelations will be yours. I am very excited. So far, this is beautiful. Oh, there's the guidebook. Cards, bottom of the package. Very pretty. So before we get into the cards here, we'll take a peek at the guidebook. Oh, nice glossy color printed pages. We have about the author, nice table of contents, how to use the deck, card spreads, and then the interpretations, each having their own page number. Love that. And then we have conclusion. The Haunted Cottage Oracle speaks through poignant metaphors reflecting the unresolved aspects of our lives. Like the lingering echoes of past events, the spectral presences throughout this deck urge us to confront our fears and embrace the shadows within. Each card holds the energy of haunted objects, rooms, and spirits, weaving a rich tapestry of symbolism and insight. Face the darkness, for it is only by embracing our deepest fears that we unlock the true power of our destiny. Light can only be seen through the contrast of shadows. Okay. In the oracle, the color of the ghosts reflect their energetic presence. Light ghosts symbolize purity, clarity, and the gentle guidance of spirits who have transcended their earthly ties. They often appear in moments of quiet reflections or new beginnings, offering wisdom and encouragement as you step into the next phase of your journey. Dark ghosts, on the other hand, represent the shadows we carry, the unresolved emotions and past experiences that require attention and healing. They appear to help you confront the darker aspects of your journey, urging you to face fears and release what no longer serves you. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. Okay. Always trust your intuition if it leads you to a different interpretation that feels more aligned with your current journey. And then it gives you an oracle attunement. And let's do card spreads. So we have the Haunted Echoes spread, Forgotten Rooms spread, and the Lantern's Path spread. Okay, I'm excited. Let's get into it. Let's first take a look at the cardstock. She is a gloss, very pretty background. Nice cardstock. It's not super thin. It's not super thick either. I would call it a midpoint between medium and thin. Yeah, it is not paper thin. Okay, let's get into it. I'm hoping the reflection of the light isn't going... There we go. I'm going to read the title. So we have Acorns. Attic. Axe. Basket. Bees. Boat. Bonfire. Bramble bush. Bridge. This is very interesting. What a cool concept. Broom. Cage. Candle. Chasm. Crossroads. Oh, we have dark and light. Love that symbolism. Dark Forest. I feel like this is one of those decks where you're going to pick up on something new each time you use it. Fishing rod. Fox. Frog. Garden. Gate. Oh, hair. So cute. Knots. Lake. Locked chest. Magnifying glass. Meadow. Mountain. It's a pretty view. Mushrooms. Owl. I don't know why, but he's giving me sass. Like that's his attitude coming through. Pine cones. Pond. I'm really appreciating that the ghosts do not have faces. Pumpkin pie. Skull. You get the spooky, scary-ish vibes without being terrified to work with the deck. Snail. Ooh, snake. Spider. Squirrel. Stepping stones. Stream. I love that. Just little white butterfly there. Swing. Thorns. Ooh. Thunderstorm. Waterfall. Ooh. Well, that has to be the creepiest one for me. And last we have Winding Road. Stunning, gorgeous, love the concept. Okay, let's see. I think these are matte black edges as well. Let's see how it shuffles. Oh yeah. I want to do side by side because with cards this size, I like shuffling it that way. I can get an easier grip on them. And shuffling it overhand is nice too. They slip really nicely. Okay, can I get a card to read, please? This one wanted to come out. Okay, we're going to read 4. Oh, bonfire. This one has a little bit of a skull face there. Oh, they all do. If you look closely enough. Okay. So it looks like we have a little couple keywords up top. We have ignite your inner flame, ambition, willpower, and desire. Fire is a powerful symbol of transformation and passion, representing the inner strength and ambition that propel us toward our desires. The bonfire illuminates the path forward, shedding light on hidden truths and empowering us to embrace change. The 3 dark ghosts gather around the fire stand as symbols of spiritual renewal. They have walked through shadow and trial, embodying the endurance required to face hardship and emerge stronger. Their shadowy forms are not symbols of fear, but of the strength born through darkness. They remind us that even amid difficulty, we can rise, reconnect with our power, and ignite the inner flame of willpower and desire. Then we have Oracle message. It's time to recognize the power you hold within. The moment you decide where to focus your attention and which paths to pursue, your reality will begin to shift. You possess the strength to transform your life, so direct your energy toward what empowers you and leave behind what drains you. Though external forces may attempt to control or limit you, remember that you are free to choose the direction of your journey. Awareness of your power is the first step to unlocking your potential. If something triggers strong emotional reactions, it means that energy still holds power over you. Your response, not your reaction, shapes your path. To begin creating the change you seek, focus your energy on what inspires and excites you. Let go of anything that no longer serves your highest good. The energy you send into the world will return to you, so channel it wisely. By shifting your focus toward what truly matters, you open the door to infinite possibilities. While change may feel challenging, staying stuck in a reality that doesn't align with your desires will only hinder your growth. Redirect your energy and watch your world transform. Okay, I really like this. I think this is fantastic for any sort of, healing, shadow work. I think this is great to confront, your fears and, little bits about yourself. I'm really liking the imagery as well. I think there's something very dark but comforting about this, like dark in a good way. It's not lovey-dovey. It's not super overly positive. It feels very grounded, but in a fantastical way, if that makes any sense at all. I think this is a really cool concept. I really appreciate the dark and the light ghosts. I think the animals was an awesome choice as well. This one really creeps me out, though. It reminds me of, what is that movie, The Ring? Oh, no, thank you. But I mean, it's stunning. It's beautiful. And I love the card size. Yeah, I can't complain. I think this is great. So with that being said, I would love to know your thoughts on this. Is this something that you're excited about? Is this something that you didn't know you needed? What are all of your thoughts? Let me know down in the comment section below. And if you've made it this far in the video, drop a ghost emoji to let me know you have. Thank you so much to Llewellyn for sending this my way. I am very excited to get to know it on a personal level. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye!